Hey everyone, in this video, let's find out how you can change your number with Zangi. In order to do so, here we are at Zangi.com. And what's Zangi all about? Well, it's the new era messenger, no registration, no data collection. You could get it on the App Store and on Google Play. Has anonymous registration, no data collection, military-grade encryption, smooth voice and video, fast text and file sharing. And as far as changing your number goes, you don't need a mobile number in order to use Zangi. Zangi's not going to ask you for your personal phone number, and the number that they provide you is actually device locked. So if you want to change your phone number, then you are going to need to use a different account. So if your device is logged in with a certain account, then the only way that you're going to be able to change the number is if you actually change the account on the actual device itself and start from scratch. Otherwise, you're going to need a new device entirely. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you'll find a link to our link tree there. You'll find our socials and our top AI recommendations, including Sintra. Sintra is a fantastic business strategy tool that gets to know you and your business, offering tailored insights to help you succeed. Check out our YouTube playlist all about Sintra and use our referral code SKILLCRAFT60 to get 60% off your first month subscription. Finally, if you're interested in an online bank, check out Simply Financial. Use our referral link to get $50 to open an account, and if you refer your friends and family, you can get $125 per referral. It's a great deal. Could personally vouch for it. Check to see if it's available in your area.